Hello, friends. Today I'm going to share with you some insights about that sentence that I mentioned in my last video, which is where there is love, always exists time. This is a sentence from Abdul Baha, a very perfect exemplar how men should behave. And he mentioned often this sentence, which make us wonder where there is love always exists time, because time is something that we always complain. It's relative, but we always complain, or because it's too fast, or because it's too slow. It depends on your state of mind. But we know one thing. We know that the universal law is the law of unity. In the universe, everything is about unity. And the forces that made that unity are the forces of love. But love cannot be measured. We cannot measure love, but we can see unity as a result of the forces of love. So I think that when Abdul Baha says that where there is love, there always be time, is because when we are aware and conscious how to use love to promote unity, we always be focused. We always be able to prioritize what one needs to do. So instead of procrastinating, instead of postponing, instead of delaying, instead of to be rushed, we'll always understand that the result of the expression of our love, if it doesn't promote unity, it will not be love. And so it will always be ahead of time or trying to catch time. So this is a different approach about time because this is a dimension where we measure time. We measure through cycles, but the true importance of life is to create real unity. Unity with ourselves, unity with ourselves, with the creation, unity with ourselves, with the world around us, unity in everything we do or everything we say. Because if we produce this, we always be focused on doing what is right. So let's promote love. Let's learn how to express love in order to create harmony, in order to create peace, in order to create unity. So where there is love, always will be time. Always will be time to do the right thing. Ciao.